Hey guys, it's me Noel from The Miniature Life. Today I've got a really fun recipe to share with you all. We're making Indian style spicy cheese toasties. I absolutely love making cheese toasties, particularly in winter. I don't think it can get any better for breakfast. This recipe has a little bit of spice, some onion seeds and some ginger to give it a real punch. I've used some shredded mozzarella at home, but you could use any good quality melting cheese like Havarti as well. So for this recipe, we're going to need some bread, of course. I've used some sliced white sourdough. You could use any bread that you like. We're going to need a few tablespoons of shredded cheese. I've used shredded mozzarella, but any good quality melting cheese will do. You'll need half a teaspoon of onion seeds, just under 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, a quarter teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and about a tablespoon of softened butter. To start off, we want to roast our whole seeds. So in a pan, over a low to medium heat, fry off the cumin and mustard seeds until they just start to smoke. Now in a mortar and pestle, grind the toasted cumin and toasted mustard seeds until they form a very coarse powder. To this powder, add in the turmeric, chili and ginger garlic paste and mix together well. Try to achieve a smooth paste. Now add in the cheese and mix it through well. This is quite a dry mixture, so be gentle but be patient. It will take a little bit of time to get a smooth mixture together. Now comes the fun part. Heat up a fry pan over low to medium heat and butter one side of the white sourdough. Then sprinkle over some of the onion seeds. Place that side face down on the fry pan and then top the other side with the cheese mixture. It's okay to have cheese flying around everywhere. Everyone loves crispy cheese. Now grab the other slice of bread, butter one side and sprinkle onion seeds on that side. This face should be side up in the fry pan, so the unbuttered side should top the cheese. Use a spatula to press down on the toastie so that you achieve a beautiful golden brown bottom and you let that heat really come through to melt the cheese. This is what it should look like after flipping, and I always push it back down to get it extra crispy. Now, if your cheese isn't toasting fast enough and your bread is starting to burn, that's okay. Take it off the heat and place it in a microwave for 20 seconds. Once it's out of the microwave, put it back onto the fry pan and let it crisp up all over again. And that's it. Here are your Indian style cheese toasties. They're crispy, cheesy, and a little bit tangy with the beautiful ginger garlic and chili mixture. I like serving this with some fresh coriander over the top, alongside some fresh chutneys. Please like, comment and subscribe to the channel and let us know what other recipes you want to see. I personally have loved bringing you this little fusion recipe, so if you want to see more like this, do let me know. As always, thanks for watching and I hope to see you guys soon.